Welcome back people. Today we will see about the in operator, between operator and like operator. So let's start with in operator. Let me give an example first. When you have a list of values and you have to check if a particular value is in that list, then we use the in operator. And to find out if it is not in that list, we'll use not in operator. First let's say in operator, let's run this. So we have both loan and wire transfer in name. So we have two rows. One is wire transfer with payment ID as 5 and one is loan with payment ID 7. So now let's try the not in operator. Let's run this. So we have everything other than what's in that list. That is, loan is not here and wire transfer is not here. Everything except that is showed here. So I think you understand what is the use of in operator. Next comes the between operator. The between operator is used to filter data between a range of values. For example, let's say, so this query has multiple conditions. One is points should be greater than or equal to 30 and points should be less than or equal to 60. When you run this, you'll see all the values from within the range of 30 to 60, including 30 and 60 because we have greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. So this is kind of big, isn't it? So what we will do is use the in between, use the between operator. Let's see how to do that. So now we have a query where select all the elements, all the data from payments table where points must be between 30 and 60. So what you have to remember here is 30 and 60 are both inclusive. So when you run this, you get the same result from 30 to 60, including 30 and 60. It is same as the query we wrote before. This means points greater than or equal to 30 and less than or equal to 60 will be the output. The between operator can also be used to filter data between a range of date values. The format of date will be 4-digit years, 2-digit month, and 2-digit days. So this is the format of date. This is the default format. So next we will go to like operator. We use the like operator to retrieve the rows that match a specific string pattern. Let's go with an example here. The percentage indicates that there can be any number of characters after the L. Let's run this now. So we get one row as output where the name is like L percentage, which means L followed by any number of characters. The percentage indicates that there can be any number of character after the L. It can also have no character at all after the L. We can use percentage anywhere in the string. Let's see an example for that. We already know we have UPI as a name in the table. So let's say we have percentage I. So with this means that any number of characters can be before I, but the last character should be I. So let's run this. So as I said, you have one row where the last character is I, and that can be any number of characters before I. So let's go back to the query box. So as I already said, you can use the percentage anywhere in the string. So what I will do now is put a percentage after this, which means that can be 0 to any number of character before I, and that can be 0 to any number of character after I, but I should be one of the character in the string. Let's run this now. So here are a list of names that has I in it. So we have I in UPI, we have I in net banking, I in debit, I in credit, I in wire transfer, and I in online payment. Another method is using an underscore. We use underscore which represents a single character. Let's say U dash I. So the string must be like U, some character here, and I. But the number of character that can fit in an underscore is only one. Let's run this. So the result is a single row where the first character is U, second character is P, which can be any character, and the third character is I. Let me give another example. Let the first character be L, and which is followed by 1, 2, 3 underscore. Run this. We have L as the first character followed by three characters, and the total length is 4, which is the same as we gave in the query. In this example, only one character can take the place of a underscore. So the first character must be L and the length must be 3, I mean 4, in order to be displayed as the output. We can use as many underscore as we want. So this is the use of underscore. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you understand the like in and between operator. Do like, share and subscribe to Supporting Tech.